Very good morning to all my kids. Welcome to my online e-learning classes. Student, as you know, we have completed chapter 8 skeletal system. So the next chapter of science I'm going to start from today, and that chapter is nervous system. This is chapter number 9. So you know the system. System is what? The system is made up of organ and their parts. So we have lots of system in our body which perform various tasks, and by which our body runs or our body become healthy. So there are so many type of system in our body, like digestive system, like respiratory system, like nervous system. So like all the system, in today we are going to start one of the system, that is nervous system. So nervous system is that a system which having the nerves, which contains the brain, which contains the spinal cord, and by the help of these nerves we can feel, we can smell, we can sense, okay, and we do all the things by the coordination of the brain and by the coordination of the body part. So you know, as you see that there is a danger or there is a pit in front of you, then you immediately stop your bike or stop your bicycle. Okay, so how you did this, how you will do this? Because of the coordination between the brain and between the body part, like hands. Okay, so as you see any dangerous thing in front of you, you run away from that area or you escape that place, because your brain told you to do this. Okay, because your brain immediately identify or recognize that there is something very dangerous for you, so you have to leave that place. And as you get the message from the brain, you immediately leave that place. So this is what, this is all the things which are done by your brain, by the messages which your brain sent towards your body part. And after receiving that message, your body part immediately respond. Okay, so in this system we are going to learn about the brain, about the nerves, and about the backbone, because the whole nervous system is composed of these three parts, or we can say that our nervous system is made up of these three parts. First, the brain, which is protected inside the skull, and second part is the backbone, which contains the spinal cord and a bunch of nerves, and the third part is nerve itself. So nervous system, in this nervous system we will learn about the part of the nervous system and about the sensory organ or sense organ. Okay, so I think in the junior classes you all have learned about the sense organs, like eyes, nose, ears, skin, tongue. These are our sense organs. So children, these are the parts and these are the sense organs, and these all things which I have told you, we are going to learn about these things in a broader way, in a good way in this chapter. So in your curriculum, in your syllabus, these chapters are kept just because this, that you can get some information about your body, about your system, and how you can keep these things proper, and how you will run your life in a smoother way by following these things, that we have to maintain our good eyesight, we have to keep our ears properly, we have to clean our tongues and all. So this is the chapter, this is a small introduction of this chapter, children. So after this we will start some other explanation with the help of book. So let us start, the children. Children, unit 3, the living world, the chapter 9, nervous system. This chapter 9 having these 2 points, that is nervous system and sense organs. So basically we will learn about our nervous system. What is nervous system, the first thing, and then what are the parts of nervous system. Then after that we will learn about the sense organs of this nervous system. So first thing is, which organ system of your body helps you in learning and thinking? So yes, of course, you know that every body part have different functions, like the stomach, like the tongue, like eyes, nose, ears. Ears are helpful in hearing. Nose is helpful in smell, to take a smell and to identify the things by the help of the smell. Then tongue is helpful in the speaking, and because of the tongue we can recognize the different taste and we feel. Okay, so different part of the body having different function. Similarly, our nervous system also have different function, and that is very very important, because we can say that a computer, just like a computer, our body also having a computer. God has made a natural computer in our body in the form of brain. So it is the nervous system controls all other body system and the sense organs. It is an important organ system of our body. It helps us to see, read, write, think, learn, feel, respond, etc. So this is the thing which are done by the nervous system. So we can say that all the system having their importance in our life, but we can say that nervous system is the master system of our body. Because of the nervous system we can do anything, or we are able to perform different thing in our life. Okay, we are able to think because of the nervous system. So this is the system which have a computer in the form of brain, or natural computer which God has given to us. So after this there is activity given. You can see here the activity time. Look at the pictures below and fill in the blanks with the correct words from the box. Skin, tongue, nose. So first picture, you can see that a boy is having ice cream or eating ice cream. Aman is tasting the ice cream with his tasting. To which part is useful for taste? Yes, of course, tongue. Then the Amrita is smelling the flower with her nose. Then Amrik is feeling the cold with his skin. So these are the sense organs. These are what? These are the sense organs by which we can feel. We feel the taste, we feel the smell, and we feel the temperature. Okay, so you have to write down the correct name here. After that we are going to start the nervous system. You can see a picture that have nervous system, and there are three major parts. The nervous system is made up of brain, spinal cord, and nerves. So brain, spinal cord, and nerves are the three part of the nervous system. Three part of the nervous system. First is brain, second is spinal cord, and third is nerves. So brain is what? Brain is the control center of our body. It acts like a computer. You know that? Like a brain having thinking skill, thinking power. The brain is the only part which can think, which can decide what is good and what is not good for you. And according to the brain's thinking power, we can do, or we do the thing in our life. After that, spinal cord. We have learned that our backbone having 33 vertebrae. Inside these vertebrae there is a cord-like structure which is actually spinal cord. So spinal cord is what? A bundle of nerves. Spinal cord is what? A bundle of nerves like a rope which goes through the vertebrae. Through it, messages travel to and from between the brain and rest of the body. You can see that this is the brain. this is the brain, this is the spinal cord, and this spinal cord is actually, cord means a thread like or a rope like structure, which the spinal cord is made by the bundle of a bunch of nerves. So nerves actually receives and send the messages from the brain towards the different body part, and from the body part to again the towards the brain. So this is the actually spinal cord is like a passage, like a path which send and receives. It acts like a road by which the messages travel from the brain towards the different body parts. Like if you feel anything, there is a warm water and your hand, you want to touch it, but as you touch it, you immediately your brain sent a message that this is not good, this is too high, this temperature, it having a high temperature, so don't touch it. So immediately you remove your hand from there. So who will help this, who will help in this process? Of course, the brain and the nerves or the spinal cord. This is the complete system. After that, nerves, they act like a telephone wires and connect every part of the body to the brain. So nerves are actually, our body is a network, having a network of nerves. Okay, network of nerves which is just like a telephone wires, and it connects all the body parts, whether the nails, whether the fingers, whether the arms, whether the thighs, whether the legs, whether the stomach, every body part. Okay, so children, this is all for today. Hopefully you all have understood a small introduction of this chapter. So please read the chapter carefully so that you will easily understand what I am explaining. Thank you for watching this video. Stay home and stay safe.